Thank you. Let the Dean present the degree awardees, and I request the visitor of the Institute, Honorable Governor Shrimati Anandiben Patel, to kindly award the degrees.
Let me introduce Professor Gagandip Kang, who is going to receive the Doctorate of Science Award, honoris causa. It is my pleasure to introduce Professor Gagandip Kang, a leading clinical scientist and professor in the Division of Gastrointestinal Sciences at Christian Medical College, Vellore. Born in Shimla, Dr. Kang grew up moving around north and east of India. She joined Christian Medical College, Vellore in 1988 and obtained her MBBS, MD, PhD degrees. She thereafter went for postdoctoral approach research in Houston, UK. Before returning back to her alma mater, she continued her work in enteric infection to study the transmission of development of prevention of enteric infections and the sequelae in children in India. To develop practical approaches to support public health, she established National Rotavirus and Typhoid Surveillance Network Laboratory to support vaccine trials in children. She is key contributor to the rotavirus epidemiology, vaccinology in India with the development of RotaVac, a vaccine from Bharat Biotech International, and RotaCell, made by Serum Institute of India, which targets diarrhea. Her work has led to her being described as India's vaccine godmother. She has published over 300 scientific papers and has served on several scientific advisory committees, both in national and international institutions, mainly related to vaccines, including India's National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization, the WHO's Global Advisory Committee on Vaccine Safety and Immunization, and Vaccine Implementation Research Advisory Committee. She is presently chairs the WHO CRO's Regional Immunization Technical Advisory Group. Professor Kang is the first Indian woman to be elected to Fellow of Royal Society in 359 years of the history of this prestigious scientific academy. She was the 9th woman and the only physician scientist to receive the Infosys Award in Life Sciences. She is the first Indian and first woman to edit Manson's textbook on tropical medicine. Professor Kang is the co-author of the recently published book, Till We Win, India's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, which has become the instant bestseller. With that, I request, by virtue of the authority vested in me as the Dean of the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I present Professor Gagandip Kang for the award of the Doctorate of Science, honoris causa, and request you to admit her to the said degree of this institute.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director, Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit you to the degree of the Doctorate of the Science, honoris causa.
May I request Professor Daman to receive the degree on behalf of Professor Kang. May I request Professor Kang to deliver a brief acceptance speech?
Thank you very much. So, Honorable Governor of UP and visitor for SGPGI, the Ministers for Medical Education and Finance and for Parliamentary Affairs, Shri Rajendra Kumar Tiwari, Dr. Rajneesh Dubey, Professor S.K. Sharma and Professor R.K. Dhiman, Director of SGPGI. I'm greatly honored to receive this degree from your very prestigious institution on the occasion of your 25th convocation. For me, it's been a privilege to have the opportunity to work on problems that are India-specific. Yours is an institute of gastroenterology, and you know well that diarrhea is not a glamorous problem that many people work on. And yet, by working together across multiple institutions in India, partnering with some of the best people in the world, some of the best companies in the world, we have been able to deliver solutions that are really making a difference to the children of India. Health is essential for achieving full potential, and we know that enteric infections play a large role in stunting and therefore in what happens to the physical and cognitive development of children. It's been quite a journey to get to this point, and I hope that there will be many young people from SGPGI who will think of taking a similar path and addressing problems and making a difference in our country for our people. Thank you very much.
I move to the next, Doctor of Philosophy, PhD. By virtue of authority vested in me as the Dean of Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I present the awardee for the award of Doctor of Philosophy and request you to admit them.
Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow. I hereby admit the awardees to the degree of the Doctor of Philosophy, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Dr. Kamlesh Kumar. Dr. Manju Kumari. Dr. Nisa Raj. Dr. Sanjay Singh. Doctorate of Medicine, DM. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Dean of Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I present the awardees for the award of Doctorate of Medicine, DM, and request you to admit them to the said degrees of the institute.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Director of Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit the awardees to the degree of Doctorate of Medicine and charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
Doctorate of Medicine, Cardiology, Dr. Akhlaq Ahmed. Dr. Anindya Ghosh. Dr. Anurodh Dadwal. Dr. Chandra Kumar Singh. Dr. Manas Laik. Dr. Paritosh Kumar Rajput. Doctor of Medicine, Doctorate of Medicine, Clinical Hematology, Dr. Sujit. Doctorate of Medicine, Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, Dr. Sujata Ganguly. Doctorate of Medicine, Critical Care Medicine, Dr. Rupali Patnaik. Doctorate of Medicine, Endocrinology, Dr. Ajay Kumar Shukla. Dr. Guna Sriharsa. Dr. Mayur Agrawal. Dr. Priyambada Tyagi. Doctorate of Medicine, Nephrology, Dr. Mudit Khurana. Dr. Sabarinath S. Dr. Sakshi Jain. Dr. Jubraj Gulati. Doctorate of Medicine, Neurology, Dr. Ananya Das. Dr. Anka Arora. Dr. Pratish Anand R. Doctorate of Medicine, Pediatric Gastroenterology, Dr. Amrit Gopan. Dr. Jayendra Sitaraman. Magister Chirurgy. By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Dean of Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director, Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit the award to the degree of the Master Chirurgy and charge you that ever in your life you proved worthy of the same.
MCH Cardiovascular Thoracic Surgery, Dr. Pulkit Malhotra. Dr. Supakshu Mahendru. MCH in Endocrine Surgery, Dr. Nitish Gupta. MCH Neurosurgery, Dr. Ashutosh Kumar. Dr. Gagan Deep. Dr. Rang Dr. Sharma Ashish Ram Pratap. MCH Surgical Gastroenterology, Dr. Murugappan N. Dr. Neha Bhatt. Dr. Nishant Kumar Malviya. MCH Urology, Dr. Naveen Kumar. Dr. Rabi Manthia. Dr. Shreya Jain. Dr. Asphal Thakur. Doctor of Medicine, MD. By virtue of authority vested in me as the Dean of Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I present the awardees for the award of Doctor of Medicine and request you to admit them to the said degree of this institute.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director, Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of the Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit the awardees to the degree of the Doctor of the Medicine, and I charge you that ever in your life you prove worthy of the same.
MD Anesthesiology, Dr. Nitin Gupta. MD Immunohematology and Transfusion Medicine, Dr. Vijesh Kumar Jadhav. Dr. Pallavi Rani. MD Microbiology, Dr. Romia Singh. MD Nuclear Medicine, Dr. Alain Elias Mamuti. Dr. Manmohan Singh. MD Pathology, Dr. Elgiva Christy Langap. Dr. Ipra Singh. Dr. Muhammad Irfan. MD in Radio Diagnosis. Dr. Avinash D. Gautam. Dr. Kausik P. Dr. Kushal K. Bhatkal. Dr. Nitin Kumar. Dr. Saurabh Pandey. Dr. Shiv Prasad Jadhav. Dr. Sushil Kumar Sakhawat. MD Radiotherapy, Dr. Aarti Mehrotra. Dr. Asutosh Mishra. Madam, the institute offers a postdoctoral certificate course in various disciplines. This year, the postdoctoral certificates have been awarded to the following awardees in their respective specialties. Postdoctoral certificate course, Critical Care Medicine, Dr. Arushi Gupta, Dr. Jitendra Singh Chabar, Dr. Arushi Gupta, PDCC in Critical Care Medicine. Dr. Jitendra Singh Chabar, Dr. Mohammad Chand Bhagwan, Dr. Samitra Mishra,
Clappings, please.
PDCC in Resuscitative Emergency Medicine, Dr. Chandra Singh Rathod, PDCC in Infectious Diseases, Dr. Saurav Pal, PDC in Maternal and Fetal Medicine, Dr. Indani Ghosh, Dr. Mokshadani S. PDC Neonatology, Dr. Akanksha, Dr. Anupama Pandey, Dr. Arun Gautam, Dr. Ashok Kumar Gupta, Dr. Manish Dwivedi, Dr. Rahul Jaiswal, Dr. Shivani Bajpayee, PDC in Neuroophthalmology, Dr. Salini Singh, PDC in Neurootology, Dr. Sema Ajim, Dr. Surendra Singh Baghel, PDCC in Pediatric Endocrinology, Dr. Ishita Bhaumik, Dr. Sonali Burma, PDCC in Pediatric Gastroenterology, Dr. Divya Piparia, Dr. Salini Das, Dr. Shruti Badrinath, PDC in Pediatric Hematology, Dr. Anil Sharma, PDC in Hematopathology, Dr. Shoaib Irfan, Dr. Sonal Seth, PDC in Renal Pathology, Dr. Vikrant Verma, PDC in Gastroradiology, Dr. Gaurav Chauhan, Dr. Sanket, PDC in Correlative Imaging, Nuclear Medicine, Dr. Vivek Kumar Saini, PDC in Interventional Pulmonology, Dr. Avinandra Kumar Shukla, Dr. Subhakar Nadella, PDC in Vascular Radiology, Dr. Srishti, next is the Bachelor of Science Nursing, BSc Nursing. By virtue of the authority vested in me, as the Dean of the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I present the awardees for the award of Bachelor of Science Nursing and request you to admit them to the said degree of this institute.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director, Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit the awardees to the degree of the Bachelor of the Science, Nursing, and I charge you that
Dr.
ever in your life you will prove worthy of the same.
Dr. Abhishek Kumar Singh. Mr. Abhishek Kumar Singh, sorry. Ms. Akanksha Verma. Well, slow. Ms. Anamika Singh. Please be slow, please. Ms. Anamika Verma.
Clappings, please.
Ms. Anjali Verma. Ms. Ayush Pal. Mr. Ayush Pal. Dipti Chaurasia. Divya Bharati. Golu Pandey. Kajal Kanojia. Monica Lal. Naman Mishra. Neeru Yadav. Nikita Tiwari. Piyush Kumar Mall. Pooja Rao. Pradeep Kumar Nisad. Pragati Sahu. Priyanshi Singh. Ravi Kumar Singh. Rupansis Mishra. Roshan Srivastava. Shraddha Pandey. Shivani Rawat. Shweta Rao. Utkarsa. Vandana Bharati. Akanksha Sai. Brajesh Kumar. Dennis Singh.
Clappings, please.
Dipali Singh. Jannavi. Kamal Kishore. Kirti Pandey. MP Shubham. Mehvish Javed. Mohit Kumar Rathore. Neeraj Verma. Neha Singh. Nidhi Sharma. Niharika Chandra. Pallavi Ganguly. Pooja Jadhav. प्रियंका यादव, पुष्पा कुमारी, रजत मलिक, शिलप्रिया गौतम, शिवन साहू, सोनम पाल, सनी जॉनसन मेसी, सुरभि सिंह, सुरभि कुमार पांडे, वर्षा द्विवेदी। In absentia, by virtue of the authority vested in me as Dean of the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I request to kindly admit the awardees whose names are included in the list but are not present here today for the award of Doctorate of Medicine, Magister of Chirurgy, Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Medicine, and Bachelor of Science Nursing.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Director, Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, I hereby admit the awardees whose names are included in the list but are not present here today to their respective degrees of the Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Medicine, Magister Chirurgy, Doctor of Medicine, and Bachelor of the Science Nursing in absentia, and I charge them that ever in their life they prove worthy of the same.
List of absentees: Doctor of Philosophy PhD, Dr. Ankita Singh, Dr. Ekta Minocha, Dr. Priyanka Vishwakarma, Dr. Shruti Bhattacharya. Doctorate of Medicine DM, Cardiology Dr. Dipti Yadav, Dr. Sakricha Abhishek Ashok. Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, Dr. Hafiz Muhammad BK, Dr. Harikrishnan G, Dr. Sarit Sekhar Patnaik. Critical Care Medicine, Dr. Bhanu Prakash KB. Endocrinology, Dr. Anand Kumar, Dr. Tony Varial Joseph. Gastroenterology, Dr. Abdul Majid PK, Dr. Akshay Sudhir Kulkarni, Dr. Arun Singh Badhuria, Dr. Bhavesh Bhatt, Dr. Butala Shreya Prasad. I would like to specially mention the name of Dr. Kaustubh Mundada, who has secured his DM in gastroenterology. After finishing the DM, he left for his home and he passed away immediately thereafter. So the special mention, I request the director to say a few words. Dr. Kaustubh Mundada, who passed away.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So we pray for Almighty for his soul, let him rest in peace. Continuing in the list of absentia, medical genetics, Dr. Raul Anup Kumar Prakash, nephrology, Dr. Gala Roju Sunil, Dr. Thomas Matthew, neurology, Dr. Anirudh Rao Desmukh, Dr. Justin Thomas, Dr. Mulmela Madhura Sanjay, MCH, endocrine surgery, Dr. Sunil Matu, Dr. Valiveru Charapani Ramya, Dr. VMS Mahalakshmi D, Doctor of Medicine, MD, Anesthesiology, Dr. Abhay Raj Jadhav, Dr. Naib Ajana, Dr. Shruti Somani, MD Microbiology, Dr. Juhi Sisodia, MD Nuclear Medicine, Dr. Bipin Kumar, MD Pathology, Dr. V. Silpa. PDCC in the list, Critical Care Medicine, Dr. Gautam PB, Dr. Pawani Singh, Dr. Sangeeta Chakravarti. PDCC in Maternal and Fetal Medicine, Dr. Ritika Prakash. PDCC in Pediatric Gastroenterology, Dr. Ashok Goyal. Renal Pathology, Dr. Nandita Chaudhary. Hematopathology, Dr. Preeti Kokar. Neuroradiology, Dr. Vignesh S. Vascular Radiology, Dr. Hasni Prarana Chandrakumar. BSc Nursing, Mr. Arjun Balmiki, Ms. Indrakshi, Ms. Meenakshi Mishra, Ms. Shikha Badhuria, Ms. Shreya Verma, Mr. Sunny Jadhav, Ms. Rasika Lal. That finished the list of absences.
परंपरागत आज ही के दिन हम संकाय सदस्यों एवं विद्यार्थियों को सम्मानित भी करते हैं। यह पुरस्कार प्रतिवर्ष अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में विशेष योगदान देने वालों को प्रदान किया जाता है। इस कार्य के लिए मैं माननीय राज्यपाल महोदया श्रीमती आनंदीबेन पटेल जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे प्रतिभागियों को पुरस्कृत करें। मैम, सबसे पहले प्रोफेसर एसआर नायक अवार्ड अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में उत्कृष्ट कार्य के लिए दिया जाता है। इस साल गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजी विभाग से प्रोफेसर उदय चंद घोषाल को इस पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। उन्होंने संस्थान में एक अद्वितीय प्रयोगशाला का निर्माण किया है। वह कई पत्रिकाओं के संपादक एवं सह संपादक हैं। उन्होंने कई प्रतिष्ठित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फेलोशिप एवं पुरस्कार प्राप्त किए हैं। पुरस्कार से सुसज्जित जनों का तालियों से कृपया अभिनंदन करें। प्रोफेसर एस अग्रवाल अवार्ड ऑफ एक्सीलेंस इन रिसर्च। इस पुरस्कार के लिए क्रिटिकल केयर मेडिसिन विभाग के प्रोफेसर पीवी साई सरन का चयन हुआ है। उन्होंने ARDS के मरीजों में उत्कृष्ट अनुसंधान किया है। शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता अर्थात एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस के लिए प्रोफेसर RK शर्मा अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट DM स्टूडेंट का पुरस्कार क्लिनिकल इम्यूनोलॉजी एंड रूमेटोलॉजी विभाग के डॉक्टर हाफिज मोहम्मद को प्रदान किया जाता है। उनकी अनुपस्थिति में मैं उनके विभाग से प्रोफेसर अमिता अग्रवाल जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वह उनके स्थान पर इस पुरस्कार को ग्रहण करें। प्रोफेसर RK शर्मा अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट MCH स्टूडेंट का पुरस्कार एंडोक्राइन सर्जरी विभाग से डॉक्टर वेलीवारू चक्रपाणी राम्या को दिया जाता है, परंतु उनकी अनुपस्थिति में मैं उनके सुपरवाइजर मेंटर प्रोफेसर गौरव अग्रवाल से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि उनके स्थान पर वह पुरस्कार ग्रहण करें। पुरस्कार वितरण के लिए माननीयों का धन्यवाद करती हूँ।